back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Alea. If you aren't new here, you probably know me from my YouTube short, and this is going to be my first ever long form YouTube video, so I'm so excited. I've been planning this for such a long time, and I'm just so happy to be sitting here recording my first ever YouTube video. And yeah, I'm just really excited to connect and communicate with you guys. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a spring reset. We're going to be deep cleaning my apartment, organizing my closet, and I want to pick out like spring outfits. So let's get started by doing the wash. I'm gonna make my morning matcha and my breakfast smoothie, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make them. Okay, so for my matcha, I'm gonna start by frothing the milk. I'm using Planet oat milk. And then I'm gonna mix in these collagen plus greens mushroom superfood blend by County Farms. Okay. By County Farms, and this is just like a green juice mushroom blend. It also has green tea leaf powder, which is basically what matcha is, and then it has like lion's mane and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop of that, and then I'm gonna add ice to this. And then for the matcha, I'm using the jade leaf matcha latte powder, and then I'm gonna pour hot water over that. I'm gonna froth that together, and then pour that into here and give her a little mix. Okay, so I just finished making my smoothie and my matcha. As you guys saw, I put in 1 banana, 1 scoop of the In Bloom Brain Flow mushroom blend, 1 scoop of the Vega chocolate protein powder, 1 scoop of this. This is the stuff that they use at Erewhon in the cherry smoothie, like the actual brand Cowboy, so I used 1 scoop of that. I also added a scoop of this Garnish seed and oat butter, some raw honey, and of course some oat milk. And since we're already in the kitchen, I'm going to start with deep cleaning the kitchen. Okay, so I just finished cleaning my living room and kitchen. As you guys just saw, I just have to do the floors. And now we're in my bedroom, and I thought I would give you guys a little PR haul. Okay, so starting off with this package by Youth to the People. I've never tried this brand, but I see this all over like Instagram and TikTok. It's their new superfood skin drip for their new product launch. I'm like so excited to try this. It's a kale plus peptide niacinamide dandelion root serum. So I always love trying new serum. I can't wait to try this, and I've been wanting to try this brand, so I'm really excited about this one. And then GHD sent me their hair straightener, so I'm super excited about that. I typically don't straighten my hair, but my friend just straightened my hair the other night, and I kind of liked how it looked, so I'm gonna have to try this out. And then Kristen S sent me their shampoo, conditioner, dry shampoo, and what is that? Hairspray. And isn't this package just so cute? Like, I am a like white and gold is my colors. Like, this box is so pretty. I like don't even want to take it out, but I'm really excited to use this. I posted this package actually on my Snapchat story, and I had a few girls slide up and say Kristen S is my favorite brand, and one of them was a hairstylist, so I'm really excited to try this brand. And then you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you know Gizu sent me PR. This is honestly a dream come true for me. I love Gizu. I use their lip oil every day. I use their honey perfume every time I style my hair. I use their hair oil every time I wash my hair. I use their hair mask every time I wash my hair. So I love this brand, and they sent me their little lip oils. They came out with 3 new flavors. So they have the summer sorbet, the mango passion punch, and the watermelon sugar, which is the light pink sparkly one. So I love, thank you, Gizu. And then Pair Eyewear, I'm actually doing an Instagram collaboration with them. They sent me a pair of glasses and then like 3 frames And I don't know if you guys have seen this brand, but it's that brand where like you can change the frames out on your glasses and they like are magnetic. So if you like wear glasses, you can like, you know, be wearing your glasses and you can like turn them into sunglasses. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I need like new sunglasses for summer, so I'm super excited about this. And then the brand Glow Inner Wellness sent me their new supplement. They came out with a gut glow supplement. It came in this cute little pink box, so I'll have to try that. And then the brand MD Acne sent me a little like travel size gift set of their products. And then this brand, I honestly don't remember like contacting them or being contacted by this brand, so this is like a little surprise package. It's the brand called AF94, and they sent me, it's like a makeup brand, which is like exciting because I never get sent makeup because I don't really post makeup, but they sent me like some lashes, a bronzer highlighter duo, makeup wipes, some like blushes, lip product. And then the brand Osana sent me another little gift box, big gift box. They sent me their shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion. I'm really excited to try out the body wash. It's vanilla coconut, and those are like my two favorite scents, so I'm really excited to try this out. And then the brand Gainful sent me two of their daily performance screens, one in tropical pineapple and lemon ginger. I love a new green juice mix to try, so I'm excited to try these. And then this is also one of my favorite little gifts. Replica sent me their little spring perfume. It's the From the Garden scent, and it honestly smells so good. It literally smells like spring, and I love this. They also sent me their beach walk one, so now I'm all set for perfume for the spring and the summer, so thank you to Replica. So I'm gonna take photos of all this stuff now for Instagram stories, and then I'm gonna get back to cleaning my room. So I know I mentioned this earlier in the video, but I want to pick out like a bunch of spring outfits and put them together and have them like hung up in my closet so that whenever I go out this spring, I already have outfits picked out so I can just throw one on, and then that'll hopefully motivate me to take more Instagram photos. So let's go try on some spring outfits. Sunset, and I picked up some groceries earlier, so I thought I'd give you guys a little grocery haul while I put them away. I got bananas for my smoothies in the morning, lemons for lemon water, a few Roma tomatoes, avocados, cherry juice for the sleepy girl mocktails, chia seeds so I can prep chia seed pudding so I can have like a quick easy breakfast ready in the morning, an apple, and cherry flavored bubbly also for my sleepy girl mocktail. And yeah, that's everything I got from the grocery store. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. It's 8:30, so it's getting kind of late. I just have to put my groceries away, and then I'm gonna make sleepy girl mocktail and shower and get ready for bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, comment this emoji down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and join me on my YouTube journey. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.